What recent drone attacks has Kyiv launched against Moscow at night? Discover the bold tactics Ukraine uses to strike deep into Russian territory under the cover of darkness. Kyiv has increasingly employed drone strikes at night to challenge Moscow's defenses. These unmanned aerial vehicles fly low and silently, often targeting power substations and communication hubs to cause blackouts and disrupt command centers. The use of drones allows Ukraine to conduct precision strikes without risking pilots. Recent attacks have shocked Moscow by hitting areas previously considered safe, demonstrating Kyiv's growing drone capabilities and tactical innovation. Ukraine uses a mix of commercially available drones modified for military use, as well as custom-built models. These drones carry small explosive devices or electronic jamming tools. Night operations rely on infrared and GPS guidance, allowing drones to evade Moscow's radar and air defenses. This technology shift marks a new phase in asymmetric warfare, where drones can penetrate deep into enemy territory with surprising effectiveness. In reaction to these drone incursions, Moscow has deployed additional air defense batteries and intensified night patrols. However, many drones fly too low or use terrain masking to slip past defenses. The psychological impact is also significant, as nighttime drone flights create fear and uncertainty among Moscow residents and officials. These attacks demonstrate Ukraine's ability to pressure Russia far beyond the front lines. Ukraine's recent night drone attacks on Moscow reveal a new era of warfare where small, stealthy technology changes the battlefield. These daring raids show how Kyiv adapts and innovates against a larger power. For daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe now.